YouTube channel. It's time to go junking, but I'm tired this morning because there was a storm last night and somebody woke me up 3 o'clock in the morning.
So click the link below and buy my mom a coffee.
I need a coffee?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you're crabby in the morning without coffee.
Yeah. Tired today. Really, really tired. We have some appointments we have to go to. Somebody's got to have a doctor's appointment. And then it's going to storm again. We may hit some severe weather, but we got to go junking still. That's not going to stop us. And we had an Etsy sale yesterday, so we have a box for, let's see, Gala in California. Your box will be winging its way to you. So let's get on the road. All right. Turning around because we spotted a sign that said free project wood, and we know somebody who can use that. Ooh. Cousin Tony, who does a fractal burning. If you haven't seen the video where he does the fractal burning on my piece, click the link over here. It'll probably be above my head. Click that link and watch, but we're gonna pick this wood up for him because yeah, free is the best price and he knows it too. So we're gonna turn here. We're gonna grab this free wood. Of course, maybe we could do something with it too. Let's find out.
I know. Because it looks a little thin.
I don't care. Free wood. Crazy. Alright, this one's long, peekaboo. It's coming in. We'll adjust later.
Slivers! I can't lean over that much. I'm going to be a humor.
Got some like barkwood in here too.
Click the link below and buy my mom coffee, please.
Wood.
You took most of the wood.
Yeah. I took the stuff we could use and he could use. There was some really cool, like one by one square. What?
Slippers.
No slivers. You're fine. Just don't run your hand along it. Oh, this is awesome wood. Are you kidding me? For free? Who gives away free wood? This is like signboards.
It smells great in here.
It does smell great in here. It's really good wood. So back to the doctor's appointment. We may be late. An hour to wait before our next appointment at the doctor's office. So are we going to hang out in the waiting room?
No.
What are we going to do?
Go junking.
Let's go junking! Not the one we were going for, but I think we're gonna hit it anyway, right? Because you know, it could be lucky that it's hidden and it's not picked over then.
Yeah.
Going junkin' with my friend.
I can't wait to get out.
I see pink. Pink. The sign was pink. There it is. All right. Wait. What's that? Is that a second sign?
What?
Are there two down here?
What?
That.
No.
Or is that a house for sale? What's that say? House for sale. They really got to change those house for sale crap. They look like garage sale signs. Look how cute this garage is.
Every garage.
It looks like a fairy garden.
Every garage.
Looks like a toad hole.
Every garage sale sign should be pink only.
Let's make a rule. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I think they're not open yet. Oh, that must be it.
Yeah, but I think they're not open. Wait, is the sign on the other side of the road?
Let's stop and ask if they're open, shall we?
Because it looks like they're still saying.
Yeah, it's 8:30. They might not be open yet, but they're.
They might not be open, guys. Hope they're open. It looks like
Let's find out. Okay, so it's a pretty good sale. What'd you get, Peekaboo?
I got a notebook, as you can see, with a little pencil holder or a pen holder.
The lady was a crafter, so Mommy got papers. You want? I'll hold that up. I use these to punch tags for my booth, and I use them to fill frames. So she had 15 for $1. I got 45. Go ahead and throw those in the back, Peekaboo, but don't like throw them.
I'll just put them on my lap.
Okay, you hold on to them. And the rest of her stuff was super expensive for the really cute stuff, but so we passed on it. And then, yeah, she took us into her craft area to show us a table she created. I'm gonna show you guys. Take a look. Isn't that super cool? I just, I've seen a lot of crafts with the Scrabble tiles. That was the first time I had ever seen an inlaid tabletop with the board and the tiles. Those names on there are all her friends. She has a Bible study group. So they put phrases they liked and their friends' names. And I think it's a super cute idea. So steal that idea, everyone. Maybe you could do that with other game boards too. How about Sorry?
No.
Somebody we know likes Sorry. We could inlay a Sorry board. Don't wrinkle my papers. We're gonna go looking for more junk. We only have a few more minutes. I think we found one. We only have like 10 minutes, so we gotta make this quick, okay, Peekaboo?
Okay. Can't stay that long.
Nope.
Can't talk.
Can't
There's
talk.
a dog.
There's a dog. It's tied up. You're fine. Okay, good sale?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I got a blow-up snow fort.
A blow-up snow fort with my money. You're welcome.
Thank you.
And I got her some blade covers for her skates. These are a little pricey. She doesn't have any though, and they were only $1. The guy works at a hockey place, a hockey distributor. So it was nice to find those. And then, unfortunately, this breaks my heart. His wife passed away last March. So she had all these fun papers from Stampin' Up. I love these natural fiber papers to do drawer fronts and other projects like signs, to do backgrounds on signs. The decoupage it on, and it looks super pretty. So I picked up a couple, took them off his hands because he said make an offer on everything. I gave him $2, which that's worth $2. So I wish I could have taken a lot more off his hands, but somebody spent all my money.
Sorry, Mom.
We're out of cash till we hit the bank. We do have to pick up a check today, and
That might have a lot of money in it.
has some money in it. She doesn't need to know. And then we need to hit our bank, which is over an hour away again. So what are we gonna do when we get there?
Go to our favorite thrift store.
go to our favorite thrift store that we don't get to go to very often.
Yeah, and
So-
it's like we went there yesterday.
We didn't go there yesterday.
I know, it's like we went there yesterday.
This is our second check that we picked up this month. It was a nice little bonus for us. We had a client that needed some stuff done, so we got stuff done, and we get to get paid. So we're gonna go to our client. We're gonna pick up a check, and then we're going to drive an hour to the bank after we get gas. But we got an appointment. We've run out of time. We got to go back to the doctors, which we're here. So we are going to. All right, that's enough. All right, so now we're gonna get to our appointment, and then the next time you'll see us will probably be at our favorite thrift store. See you, everybody. Going to
My favorite thrift store.
we went to the bank. We're ready to go. We're gonna hit the favorite thrift store, and then we're on our way. There are way too many people at this thrift store, so we went in there. Somebody let the secret out about my favorite thrift store. I think because it's Friday and a lot of people are going out of town this weekend, so there's probably more people here than normal when we come up on a Monday or Tuesday. But score at the thrift store. Walls and smalls, y'all. That's what I was looking for. And I could have bought furniture, but I didn't. Aren't you proud of me?
Yeah.
Super proud of myself. I did not buy furniture. I got 2 wall hangings, including a Casablanca poster. Framed
Because
Casablanca.
you could have got that furniture. Because
No. Shh. We're not getting furniture. We have an abundance of furniture. It was this really great buffet, guys. It was huge with these wonderful carved spindle legs. It was gorgeous. It didn't even need any work, but I probably would have hated it. I know you like that, Bob.
she scared me.
Again, you're fine. I also got some small glass pieces. I got a really cool vintage lamp. Needs to have the silver on it replaced. I will silver leaf that. And then I got, other than that, it was fine. And then I got a little vase and some wood blocks that spell out believe, and it was really cool. So.
And I got a baseball cap that says Twins, which is pink.
Minnesota Twins batting helmet. So she got a Minnesota Twins batting helmet. That was pretty cool. So we'll show you pictures of everything we got. Now we're gonna go to the dollar store where everything is a
dollar.
This video, please give it a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And if you want to see more DIY tutorials, I post every week Junkin videos, DIY tutorials. Please click the subscribe link below. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. And buy Mom a coffee, right? You can click the link below to buy me a coffee. If you like what we do, say thanks by clicking the link below.
And
Thanks,
buy
everyone.
Mom coffee.
Buy Mom a coffee. Thanks, everybody. Happy Junkin'.
Happy Junkin'.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week
DIY tutorials, and of course, more Junkin videos.